It's a brand new groove.
Welcome to your Getting Your GPTs. I'm really excited that you're here, and so I'm going to give you a walkthrough on what you can do with them. So you'll be seeing this page, and I get it can be a wee bit overwhelming because there are so many of them. But what I want you to do is to just go through and just only click the ones that you want to use. So they all have a different purpose, and one reason for that is because we load them with deep research, and that can cause them to slow down if we have too many files, and so it causes bloating. So we have certain GPTs that are sort of the planners, and then the other ones that are the doers. So with these ones here, you'll see you've got Kelly and Minnie. So Minnie's the strategist, and Kelly plans them out, and then she's trained to link them into these ones here, which have they're like a specialist role, if you like. So it's sort of you might use Penny once, you might use this one every week, or Sally every month, Biddy just whenever you're doing a blog. And then you've got email, and you've got the choice of a basic email or an in-depth one. And then you've got lead magnets. So some of these you'll use more than others. Henry, you probably use all the time. Landing page, it's always good to run it through that. And then you've got your SEO. So that's sort of, you've got the starter kit, if you like, of a marketing team. So what I want to show you what to do is, say you want to use Sally. What I suggest you do is, when this opens, is that you save Sally in two places. So you can save her in the desktop. And so you just click on this and you go save in the sidebar, and you can pin it, and you'll see here that I've got them all down here. Then you can also save them in folders in your toolbar up here. So you'll see that I've got them all in here. Sort of how you can keep track of them, because there's, like, I have so many. These are other people's ones. So it's just can get away with you. So what I want you to do now is say go into start, and Sally will guide you through what you want. And so you just type in what you want there. So she's going to ask us a few questions. So this is the more information that you give, the better the response that you'll get back. And I like to, whether the GPTs ask for it or not, to do screen grabs and cut and paste copy off a website, anything like that that's going to give them more content. So the other thing that you can do here is, with the @ button, you can call in other GPTs. So you've just got to put them in. So I can have my brand, tone and voice. I can have other ones that I've got sitting in that sidebar. So that means that any output that Sally's going to do is going to be in my brand, tone of voice, so that there's less editing the other end. So that's just something. So you can call in, I might want campaign playbook architect, something like that. So you sort of can call them in there. So it's really handy. So enjoy. Please give me any feedback. I'd love to hear how you're finding them. And thank you.
AI marketing edge. It's a